So today I will show you how you can make these weird, realistic, creepy videos that you can see right now. Really cheap and really fast. And the first thing, what you want to do, the most important part in my opinion, is basically to get the perfect image, the realistic image with the creature. And the best place where you can create these is, in my opinion, in Midjourney. This is the only thing that you have to pay for in this video. If you know a way how you can create these types of realistic images with real people and with crazy looking creatures like these ones, you can use it. But in my opinion, Midjourney is the best one because you can edit everything. So here I have made already some weird, realistic looking images on Midjourney, and here are all the prompts. And I will basically post all the prompts in my community that I will create soon. The link is probably below in the description, the school community. If you have any questions, just join and I will answer you anything. So here you can see some realistic, weird looking images. So the first part is create images in Midjourney. You will have to pay at least $10 a month. And how you can actually find a great examples and be inspired is really easy. You go right here on the explore page. On the explore page, you will already see many crazy generations. And how you can actually find some creatures is go right here on the search tab, just write giant creatures. And when you write giant creatures, you will already see a lot of ultra realistic and crazy looking images from basically people who made these. And what you have to do next, the first thing what you can do is basically click on these. You will see all the prompts. You can just use the prompt by clicking here, change the aspect ratio. For example, for YouTube video, you need 16:9. And you will just press this submit and it will create you 4 new images, really similar to this one because you have the same prompt, same style. Another way you can find inspiration is go click on this image, and here you can see the profile of the person that actually created. And when you click on his profile, you will see hundreds of creations because these people are creating every day. And here you can see some realistic, creepy creations with a clown, giant clown in the streets, giant troll in the streets. The best part is that Midjourney has no limits. You can basically create anything you want with any celebrity, or here you can see the alien, giant alien in the streets. And this profile is actually insane. You can basically use these images after you find the best one you basically think is the best one, and you can use these in your creations. I will most likely use something like this as well. So, for example, I will show you how you can recreate it. So you basically paste the prompt, it automatically pastes here. Let's set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because I want to make a video for YouTube. And when you go back to your page where you create images, here you can see the image. 4 images will be creating. And let's see what the Midjourney will basically come up with. Sometimes the images doesn't look as good as you want, but here you already can see we will get some beauties. This one is basically doesn't look great. This already looks quite nice. This also looks nice. And what you can do, you can just save. Here it will open in a new tab. So let's save the image. And that's the first part. That's how you basically create images and save them. The next part is the most interesting part. You have to go on one.video.generate. And this is free. Of course, I have Pro right here, but every time you check in, every day you check in, you will get 15 credits, and one video generation basically takes nothing. Because if we generate a new video, so let's upload this robot. Let's, for example, say robot is destroying the city. And let's zoom this in. In these settings, you can basically generate with credits or without credits, which means that you can generate unlimited videos without credits. And you don't even need a plan. You can create this on a basic plan. So if you want to pay, you can pay. I have paid for the Pro because you get like 300 credits. But here you can see I will press generate, and here you can see it is generating. The only downside for this free generation, it can take up to 8 minutes, 10 minutes. So if you check in every day, you will get 50 credits. And let's, for example, use accelerate, and I will spend 10 credits, but the image will be created in 2 minutes. I mean, the video will be created in 2 minutes. And here are all the examples I have already created. So some of these look like really, really great. Some of these look a little bit unrealistic, but the fact that you can create these for free, and these look much better than VO3. I mean, VO3 has sound. For these ones, if you want to make these even better, you will have to add your own sounds. Just find some sound effects. This is where you how to use your imagination. That's how many of these TikTok and Instagram accounts create these videos. They are adding their own sounds, and this is one of my favorite ones, because you can see the people act. I mean, they don't act realistic, but they seem realistic, because as you can see, the giant creature grabs them, but they are still looking alive. And yeah, your imagination is the only thing that matters. Basically, you can create anything you want. So as you can see, so let's see what the one video generation tool will come up with. And that's basically how you can create. If you want to take this step further and create even more bizarre looking videos, you have to go to Kling. And why you have to use Kling is, here you can see, for example, dog turns into a monster, and you can see how great this looks. Here are different examples. And as you can see, the video looks quite realistic. It doesn't look like some lame effects that you can see that it is fake. And here you can see that from a dog, a kitten comes out. The kitten looks real. Basically, the transition looks so real. You cannot make this in VO3 or in one. That's why. And here, this is one of the, I think, best transition, because basically the head splits in a half, and the Kling basically lets you create anything. And how these people on the TikTok or Instagram, as maybe you know, there are many videos where the face or the head splits in half, like in this video. And what they are doing, they are basically creating videos like these ones. And for example, they are not letting the video play through, because as you can see here, this already looks fake. But if you stop the video here and you take a screenshot, you create another video, for example, where from the head comes out an alien or flowers or cotton, it'll look more realistic, and you will be able to create different types of stories for these weird videos. You can also create these ones where someone is feeding the orange something or cutting it in half. So there are many variations that you can do with Kling AI as well. So that's basically how these people are creating these weird looking videos. And let's see what this video turned out. So as you can see, this video looks okay. I like the fact that the people are looking real. The water is moving slightly. But overall, I would not use this. This doesn't look good enough for me. But I hope you understood the basics, how you can create images, how you can find ideas, and basically just going to other people's profiles. They have already created everything. Here you can see, I mean, This is looking insane. You can also use, for example, save this image. Save this image, let's call it clown. Replace. So you can upload images in different aspect ratios as well. So let's upload this and create a video from this insane image. So clown is destroying the city and laughing. So the only downside is that you will have to add your own sounds, but to find a sounds of someone destroying a city and clown laughing is really easy. You just go on YouTube and find some effects, or there are many AI tools that allow you to create basically royalty-free sound effects for yourself. You can create anything. If you want to get many prompts from me or of anything that I created here, the link to my new community is below in the description, and this is basically how you can create videos. And for example, here is the video with the dog, and how you can create, for example, here is I created basically a VO3 video.
Vai tev arī patīk iet uz skolu? Nē.
And as you can see, the video ends here, and here starts the cling video that I made with the dog. I mean, this doesn't look as realistic as I want, because as you can see, the dog's head suddenly starts moving into a opposite direction, which looks really, really fake. But that's how you can basically make these weird videos. You have to combine different tools like Kling AI 1, VO3. You have to add your own sound effects, and that's how you can make these weird looking videos. Also, Pika.art is a really great AI tool that gives you the different effects that many of these viral millions of followers basically profiles are using. That's basically what I would suggest you to use. One, Pika, Kingfield is another one, and you know, every week, every month, there are new tools coming. For example, this enhancer creates a ultra realistic skin. For example, this already looks great, but if you basically add the enhancer, you can see that the skin gets even more crazier, more realistic, even eyes. So there are so many tools that you have to use to create insane videos or basically art. But if you have time, you can create anything you want. And let's see how this video came out with a clown walking in a street. And if this video is great, I will most likely upload it on TikTok and Instagram. And as you can see, this video looks quite nice. I mean, the clown isn't destroying anything, but still looks realistic, because these cars, these army cars, are realistic. The clown looks realistic, just a giant man. Also, this guy blurred in the front. These cars look realistic, and everything makes this video even more fun. And yeah, again, if you enjoyed this video, the link to my community where I share everything that I do is in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, and thanks for watching.